Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go.
Situation that you see somebody that's going through suicide or depression and it's over.
And you my business. Don't do that. Oh, I don't have any more almond milk. I don't have any more almond milk. Okay, y'all, we're supposed to use almond milk, but we about to. I'm finally about to give y'all an actual tutorial of my protein shake. And I use this magic bullet. That's what we got. So I get you some ice. Protein shake. This is Body Fortress. Put 1 scoop. 1 whole scoop. I use chocolate. I don't like vanilla or strawberry, so put 1 scoop of that. And some honey. Strawberry jam. I only put a little bit of this in it. And I'm still fucking struggling to get this shit out. I think I got the spoon stuck in here. What the hell? Y'all, it's stuck in this. Okay, there we go. Alright. Some of that. Blueberries, I'm gonna have to re-up because they're all gone. I put about some peanut butter. You can use whatever peanut butter, but I use this because it's natural. You just need 1 tablespoon. And then some milk. Now remember I said you're supposed to use almond milk, but bitch don't got no almond milk. Oh, I should have put it in there first. I got the milk finally in there, so you just close it. And then you just what the hell? What the fuck? Take it out, do a little shake.
And I think people have fallen in love with that.
You know my business? Don't do that. Huh? Ooh, yeah. Don't be mocking me. Say it, Ma. Ah! Boom. And that's how you make the shake.
Ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you.